What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Zella Blackstar, aka DBS. And for today's video, I want to show you how to restore your nail from breakage. So what materials I use, what tools I use in order to avoid your nail to continue breaking. So just 3 tools that I use. Sorry for this, my daughter bit on I have a toddler, so she bit on the leg of the tripod. But these are the 3 materials that I use. This is a buffer. I don't know the name of this metal thing. And this Kiss brush on nail glue. So this is what I begin to do. I buff my nail first. I buff the side that the nail is broken. So if you see here, this is where the nail, and it's really, there's a big tear there. Okay, so next, we're going to grab the Kiss brush on nail glue, and you brush the nail where you want to restore. Sorry, my nail looks dirty, but it's not dirty. And then what I do is I usually take this metal thing, usually the tip, and then I press it onto the nail, because you have to keep it for a few seconds. Brush the other nail from here to there. Just be careful when you are applying this glue, because it's like a crazy glue. I don't know if you guys are aware of that, but it's like the strong glue. It can stick to your finger as well. It's dangerous if it falls on your eye. If it does, you have to wash your face and just follow the directions on the bottle. After the nail has glued completely, what I do is I take the buffer. I'm sorry, the camera just moved. I take the buffer, just buff the surface of the glue that dried, and then I just basically just do my nails after that, or just leave them like that. But that's how I do it. That completes this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It would help me so much, and I would appreciate it. If you are subscribed, thank you for being a subscriber. If you aren't, make sure you hit that red button, or button, how people say, but I'm from Brooklyn. The red button on the right hand side, I think, is a red button. Make sure you give that button a subscribe. It would help me also, because now you guys know YouTube is changing their YouTube partnership. So I'm here to stay. So if you guys have any other comments, questions, or any other ideas of how to restore your nails, or what do you guys do, please let me know, because I'm always willing to learn new strategies. So until the next time, I'll see you later. Peace.